Welcome to our nail art adventure. In today's video, we will guide you through four fabulous nail art design that will leave your fingertips looking absolutely stunning. So grab your nails, polish and sticker and let's dive in. Our first design combines rich earthy tones of brown with the calming aqua and pop of vibrant yellow. Start by applying a base coat and let your creative juices flow as you paint your nails in these captivating colors. Green and heart sticker. For our second look, we are going green and adding a touch of love with adorable heart stickers. Green represents growth and harmony, making it the perfect choice for a lively and romantic nail design. Starry nights and unique combination. In our third design, we are reaching for the star. Create a captivating night sky on your nails with tiny star-shaped accent. But that's not all. We will also explore different sticker combination to make your nails truly one of a kind. For the ultimate sticker combo. For our grand finale, we are diving into the world of sticker combination. Let your imagination run wild as we mix and watch various stickers to create a dazzling and unique nail design that bound to turn heads. There you have it, four incredible nail design art sure to spark your creativity and touch of glamour to your fingertips. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for nail art inspiration. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Nail art ideas.